In software development, iteration is both the process of refining a solution through multiple stages, as well as the coding term for loops. Loops at their simplest is how many times a piece of code is repeated. When multiple things that interact with each other come together, we start standing on the border of insanity where both fun, frustration, and learning can really begin. In coding, we teach not just procedures in how things work, but also the process of how things come together. This promotes a mindset that can recognize failure and analyze where the issues lie to take productive steps towards creating a better solution. In this project, we are extending on the knowledge of angles and geometry facts to draw shapes. Here, by moving 10 steps and then rotating 90 degrees and doing that 4 times, we draw a simple square. Then we can extend on that knowledge through adding additional loops. For example, by adding this repeat 100, we can get 100 shapes, 100 squares to be drawn. But here you can see that we're just repeating the same drawing over and over in the same spot, so it doesn't really make any difference. So here we can start getting students to think really carefully about where they can add additional changes within the loops to get different patterns. By adding this small turn, we can see that the squares start becoming more staggered. But if they were to put it in the wrong place, this would lead to an entirely different result. Here you can see how we can develop logical thinking and pattern recognition skills in learners by exposing learners to challenges that require understanding processes and exploring the effects of changing the contributory elements within these processes. And by extension, we can give them a different perspective on problem solving.